Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great week so far, and welcome to this video on Bluzelle. Wanted to make a video on that because, well, it's been very bullish again since basically the 15th of October. So for the last 10 days. And I know a lot of you are trading it. I know a lot of you actually requested it in the past, so it might be valuable. All right, so we'll do a full analysis on Bluzelle. We'll talk about what's going on. I mean, Bluzelle, it's like, apart from Tether, it's one of the most crazy cryptos I've ever seen. Like, since the beginning of August, has been very bullish. There seems to be some sort of a relation between Tether and Bluzelle as well. Like, they're quite correlated. But yeah, so that's interesting. But right now, again, very bullish. Overnight, of course, also influenced by the bullish momentum that Bitcoin has shown. Bluzelle spiked up all the way towards 28 cents, at least on Binance. That probably is a little bit different on other exchanges. And while that bullish momentum was happening, what we see, or what we have seen, is that the funding rates actually remained the same. All right. So usually, what you saw when Bluzelle was very bullish right here, is that the funding rates always were very high, which means that if you're short, you have to pay, and there's some sort of an incentive to buy Bluzelle. So that's not the case right now, but still very bullish. So that's interesting. I do think, I mean, like I said, I do think Bluzelle is manipulated. Like, if you take a look at that volume, it's up 500%. There's no clear fundamentals behind it. And if you take a look at the volume right here, you can see that most of it is still coming from Super X, Bika, which usually if most of the volume is from there, it's manipulated. All right, it doesn't matter. I mean, it could still be bullish, could still be bearish, but that is the situation. So what we should expect is unexpected price moves and just volatility. So the big question now is, can Bluzelle actually rally up higher? I would say at first glance that the next price target is 30 cents. Now, if we take a look at the technicals, you'll see that that's true. Like, there's a resistance level around 30/31 cents. But the major level is actually around 38 and 40 cents. Now, we're not going to talk about that yet because I don't think that's relevant. I think the big question right now is, can it get to 30 cents? But that is something you should know. All right, so at this moment, like I said, the funding rates don't matter because the funding rates have been positive or stable at least for the last couple of weeks, and it did not matter. Now, what does matter in my eyes is the momentum, which I usually gauge by open interest and volume. And what you see there is very weird behavior. Like, the volume has been going up consistently for, well, basically since Monday evening. And even before that, I mean, if you take a look at the last week, it's a bit weird, but it was actually going up last week as well. And the open interest especially, like the open interest has gone up, has gone up a lot. So this is just, I mean, this is weird, all right? Because the open interest has dropped down quite a bit, and the price hasn't really. Like, the price dropped down from 28 to 25 cents, but that's it. So I think we have to take a look at the technicals, all right? And I would actually like to know, I'm doing this a little bit live, but I would like to know where we have some liquidation areas, because I would say that most of the liquidation levels are between like 27 and 23/24 cents. But we can actually take a look at that right here. And there you'll see like there's major liquidation levels between 23 and 24, and then most of the liquidation levels up here, let's say around 26, 27. So personally, I think we have to wait for technical confirmation. This is the level which Bluzelle is in right now, according to, well, both the technicals and those liquidation areas. And we're just going to have to wait for a breakout. Like, if it breaks down below 24 cents, which actually seems most likely, because of the decrease in open interest and because of, because it hit a major resistance level, I would say it's most likely. So if it breaks down below 24 cents and it actually holds that as resistance, then we can expect a pullback down to 20 cents and 19 cents. And then from there, we'll see again. So like I said, I'd say this is most likely, given especially that open interest and that most of the liquidation levels are there. So if you're manipulating the price here, it's better to grab some liquidation from that area. But it could go both ways. I mean, Bitcoin still is bullish. If Bitcoin continues going up, hits 35,000 again, and Bluzelle is able to break above 27.5 cents, it's going to go up to 30 and 31 cents, and there's nothing going to be able to stop it. So it's waiting for that bearish confirmation. Like I said, given the situation right now, I'd say a bearish breakout is more likely, but in the end, could still go both ways. All right. I'm sorry for saying that, because I know most of you like a 100% prediction, but I just cannot give that always. All right. That's not how the market works. But that's my take on it. If you do have any questions, let me know. Apart from that, I also have my own premium trading group in which I share my own trades. So if you actually want to become a better trader while also making some profits, because I am a profitable trader, which is good, then consider joining. Links will be down in the description. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.